Hey guys, this is question MM151 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. Now we've got this question, let f be a function with domain R, so our domain is R, such that f dash of -1 equals 0, and f dash of x is greater than 0 for x is an element of all real numbers except for -1. Awesome. At x equals -1, the gradient of f has a what? Now, this is all about differentiation, obviously. This is the first question in our differentiation chapter, and we are dealing with our gradient at the moment. So f dash of x refers to our gradient function. So f dash of -1 means that we have a gradient of 0 at x equals -1, because f dash of x is our gradient function, so f dash of -1 is our gradient at -1, which means that we have a flat point. So maybe let's even do a quick gradient table. So at x equals 0, x is more than 0 and x is less than 0, our gradient, our slope. So at x equals 0, this is going to be -1. X is -1, my bad, -1, -1, awesome. So at x equals -1, our gradient is 0. Gradient is 0, which means that we have a flat point. That's a stationary point, right? Because our gradient is 0, so it's flat. F dash of x is greater than 0, so it's positive for all real values except for -1. So at -1 it's 0, and everywhere else the gradient is positive. So it's greater than 0, which means that it's positive. Which means that our slope is going up because it's positive and up here, which means that our slope, -1 here, is positive, going up, up, up. At -1 it becomes 0, so it's flat, and then it keeps going up because it's still positive on this other side here. Which means at x equals -1, we can say that we have a stationary point of inflection, because this is not a minimum, it's not a maximum, it's a inflection point. Which means that our answer is C. As always, guys, hit me up if you have any questions, but other than that, have a great day.